how to do a glossy eyeshadow look. We're going to be doing a glossy eyelid tutorial on this gorgeous queen. So I'm going to start up straight up with skin prep. I'm going to start by using the Garnier Micellar Cleansing water. I'll just use it to cleanse the skin for a nice even base. Still on skin prep, I'm going to be spritzing the face with the badesco facial spray. This is really good for hydrating the skin, waking it up for a fresh look. And then I'm going to proceed with my moisturiser. This is the Embroyolise moisturiser, Embroyolise concentrate. All products used in this makeup video will be in the description bar below, so check that out. So I'm just using my Real Technique sponge, not sponge, this is my Real Techniques brush. This is actually my foundation brush. I'm using it to blend the moisturizer in. This is serving as my primer as well, so you can use this as a moisturizer and a primer. And now I'm proceeding to use foundation. I did a cocktail. This is the Loreal True Match foundation in W2, and I used a bit of C8 as well. So I'm just blending that into the skin. Just tapping this into the skin, and then I'm going to proceed to use my Real Technique sponge. This is a damp sponge. I'm using this to further blend the skin, to blend the foundation into the skin. Okay, so I'm using a lip balm just to prep the lips to make it soft before the time where I need to apply the lip pencils and the lip colors in. You can see me blending the foundation still because I just want a very nice seamless blend of the foundation. Next, I'm going to be applying my concealer. I'm using the L'Oreal True Match concealer. Now, actually, this is the L'Oreal Infallible Modern Concealer. This is the shade Laitte. I'm just using this under the eyes, forehead, center of the nose, cupid's area, and the chin. And now I'm using my mini Real Technique sponge. This is quite damp, and I'm using that to blend the highlighted part of my face. So when blending, I just tap it in because I want it to remain in one place. Blending is key, guys. If you're enjoying this video so far, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified when I upload. So I went in with the foundation sponge just to make sure blending the nose area, just to give it a very nice cupped shape. I'm just blending everywhere that needs to blend. I'm back in with the blending sponge, blending the concealer in before setting. I'm going to be setting with my L'Oreal Mercier powder in the shade translucent, and I'm just applying that all over, literally on the places where I highlighted, so under the eyes, center of the nose, the forehead, the cupid's area, the chin, just like so. I'm going to go in with my MAC Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette in light medium. I'm using the shape Sculpt, the color tape and Sculpt, and I'm using that to kind of contour the nose. So I'm just using that shade Taupe and Sculpt to contour the nose. And I'm going to use that to contour the rest of the face as well. So the high points of the cheekbones, just like so, and also the forehead. Also using this to kind of bronze up the face as well, on the chin, just the side there. And I'll put a bit on the next side just to tie everything together. Now to the start of the show. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to start up with the eye base. I'm going to be using a P. Louise base with more oil, and I'm using that with brush, just blending that in, just to have a nice clear base to apply the eyeshadow. It's really key to use the light base like that because it makes the eyeshadow look very, very vibrant. So I'm going to be using my P. Louise Secret Sienna palettes, those pink shades I just showed you. Make sure you pack it all over the mobile lid and then just blend it on through the crease. That's what I'm kind of doing, tapping it in and just blending. I'm using a blending brush from Morphe. This came in a set, doesn't have a name. But literally just quite simple, tap it all in and then blend it in. So I use the lighter pink to blend it in. Now I'm using the same pink shade for the blusher and just, making sure they all look tied together. So that was the P. Louise Secret Sienna palettes, and those are the pink shades. I'm using the same pink under the lid. I used the nude color on the waterline first, and I'm going in with the pink shade just under the eyelids there, just like so, just to blend it and make sure it's quite smoked out a bit. To take out the powdery look, I'm going to be spritzing the face with the Badesco facial spray. That's the spray I used before, and this just melts the makeup in. And I'm going in with my sleek highlighter, this liquid highlighter, just to give a nice pop to the cheekbones. So I'm blending that in with my Technique sponge, and I'm using mascara to just, I'm not going to be fixing lashes today because I want this look to be really nice and not over the top. So I want a very fresh look, so that's why I'm going with just mascara, and our lashes are quite long as well, so that helps. And now I'm going to proceed to the lips. I'm using the MAC lip liner, so MAC lip liner in Cock. I'm using that to line the lips, and then I'm just going to be using a blending brush just to make sure it's blended well into those lips, just to give it a nice blend. For the lips, I'm going to be going in with the pink shade I used for the eyelid. I'm going to use that in the middle part of the lip, just to give it a nice ombre effect. So I'm going to use the two colors. So first I'm going to be using the darker color like I used on the lid, and for the just as a topper, I'm going to go with the lighter shade as well, just like so. And then I'm going to blend this in. Highlighter shade. This is the Wet n Wild highlighter in Blossom Glow. I'm going to use that for the inner tear duct like so, and then I'm going to do it on the tip of the nose, center of the nose, just there, just two sides up and down, and then I'm going to use this a bit too on the high points of our cheekbones as well. It's really key to try to blend the highlighter because it might just be standing too, it's just key to blend it a tiny bit. So it just blends seamlessly to the skin. So this is what I'm trying to achieve by blending it in. So I'm going to be using the lip gloss, the MAC Clear Gloss. I'm going to be using this on the lips to give it a nice glossy look. And on the lid, I'm just going to start putting the gloss. And just like so, literally gliding it through the lid. Making sure it gets to all the mobile lid area. So the key part of applying a gloss or doing a glossy lid is first of all applying the eyeshadow like you would normally do, and then at the end of the lid you just put in and make sure you do your mascara and do all those bits first. Everything to do with the eyes, the inner tear duct, do those first before you gloss the lid. So I'm just glossing it with my Morphe flat small brush. Gloss it to the top of the lid and also to the crease area, just like so. So it's really quite simple to achieve a glossy lid And isn't this just gorgeous? I hope you're enjoying this video so far. I hope you've learned a thing or two so far. If you're enjoying it, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell so you're notified for when I upload. Right now I'm gonna proceed to kind of put the brows in place. I'm gonna be using my Makeup Revolution brow gel. This is the clear brow gel, and this is Makeup Revolution clear brow gel. So I'm just using this to kind of gel all the eyebrows in place. She's got very nice thick eyebrows, so I'm not going to be doing much to it. I'm just going to making sure they're in place and they're groomed, slicked nicely, just on point actually. So that's what I'm trying to do. This is just me cleaning up the look, making sure it's looking neat, putting the blushes where it needs to be, and just making sure everywhere is seamless. This is for the blending. And voila, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please click the like button, subscribe to my channel, join the family. I really appreciate it. Comment down below, let me know what you think. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.